to welcome Mrs. Celia Fallon. I don't know what they're talking about.
In a bid to promote food safety and financial inclusion, Ajoke Ayisat Afolabi Foundation, AAAF, has taken a significant step by organizing food vendors empowerment program for selected Boli Sellers in Lagos. The core objective of this pioneering initiative was to equip Boli Sellers with essential skills and knowledge to ensure food safety while simultaneously empowering them financially. Through a comprehensive training program, participants received valuable insights into food hygiene and handling techniques, equipping them with the tools necessary to maintain high standards of food safety.
Then they teach, how you could make your product, make it better, how you could take package and make it better. Because the way what they don't want to make business just this small. Anything we could make business, make it big. And they hear that good. Na person, no be person.
Na person.
Who say you yourself don't do your own business, make you bring back like that good. Make you don't employ people. It is no possible.
It's possible.
But you get things where you go before you go run to that one where other people go they work for you. So now the thing what they do for you with that say make you also do your own business in a way say go they big.
Yes, plantain.
Corn
I
plantain
say
together.
banana, granite.
How do you normally roast?
Okay.
You use Ibayo
I use
or barbecue?
this
Never baking machine.
no. I use I built the weather built something for me. Then I'll put resin as my sister said then iron on top. But how I normally do mine, sometimes the corn, I will remove the shell small, then I put it. When it is ready, I will now remove. If somebody buy that one, I will now remove the last shell. The last shell. So I don't remove all and roast. I did it like how my grandma used to do. I will remove the shell small, then put it in
It is
pan.
cake because you smell
Yes,
it. It is cake. The back.
yes.
Pig.
I will not pay up. So when I roast it, people like it more than the one I remove all the shell. And also my plantain. My plantain,
I'm taking you to a level that you will see yourself as very important. And the level where this foundation will won't take you now to. Tomorrow, now go thank this foundation because plenty of people go still here and still come to join. Because why? When you finish your body, yam, fish, you roast fish, you do pomo, you do all those things, you package it, put it inside plastic. Dispatch riders will come during break for bankers, for people with the oil company, they come package, come go give them, they prefer than all those sausage, meat pie and all that. Because they know say this one they eat, they go strong well. Now just that small one I won't give her so you can say that thing important.
So to get the terminal, no wahala at all. Just like Madam said, you open account. Once you open account, within 2 weeks, we give you terminal and it's for free of charge. We are not collecting actually to go out, come and bring money, come and do this. No. And we will also train you how to use it. Because say people are dubious these days. Some people go bring their card and go put down. You need to be very, very careful. We will also train you. By the time they put it, at times there might be network failure where the transaction will decline. And that person go debit that person. That person will show you a lot. By the time they don't debit me, give me body, make I go. Once it decline, don't give them your body.
At the training, Executive Coordinator, Ajoke Ayisat Afolabi Foundation, Folakir Adamokan said we are proud to have organized the Food Vendors Empowerment Program for Boli Sellers in Lagos. Our aim is to ensure that these vendors have the necessary knowledge and resources to provide safe and hygienic food to their customers while also promoting financial inclusivity within their businesses. In addition to the training on food safety, the program incorporated sessions on financial literacy to empower Boli Sellers with the necessary skills for effective financial management. This holistic approach seeks to enhance their business acumen and improve their overall financial stability. Notably, AAAF will be providing roasting equipment to the Boli Sellers, further facilitating their operations and enabling them to deliver high-quality services to their customers. This support not only enhances the vendors' capacity but also contributes to the growth of their businesses. The Food Vendors Empowerment Program organized by Ajoke Ayisat Afolabi Foundation underscores her commitment to promoting food safety and financial inclusion among Boli Sellers in Lagos. By investing in their training and providing essential resources, AAAF is actively supporting the development of a thriving food industry that meets the highest standards of safety and quality. For more inquiries and partnership about our initiatives, please visit our website, www.aaafoundationg.org, or contact us, 0909-200-6599 or 0817-595-1122.